Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sliding door lock is probably one of the most essential investments for any parent or caregiver. Sliding glass doors, while offering beautiful views, can pose significant safety risks to curious children. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of child safety locks specifically designed for sliding doors, ensuring your little ones are protected from potential hazards. Number 5. Burglabar 2-pack sliding door and window locks. Introducing the Burglabar, designed to keep your children safe. This 2-pack of sliding door and window locks provides an extra layer of security for your home. Installing this lock is a breeze. You won't need any tools, and the clear design blends seamlessly with your doors and windows. Use it as a sliding door security bar or a sliding window lock. It's a versatile solution to enhance your home's safety. Before ordering, measure the space between your sliding doors and windows. Ensure there's a 3/8" or 9mm clearance. If you have the clearance, order the Burglabars and carefully follow the instructions. It's that simple to protect your home. What we like? This lock is incredibly easy to install, requiring no tools at all. Its clear design ensures it blends seamlessly with your decor. If you're looking for a simple, unobtrusive way to childproof your sliding doors and windows, this is a great choice. What people say? Easy to install, and can be placed convenient, and high enough that a little one can't open it without her knowledge. A good solution without relying on a slider latch. Works well as a second lock to our sliding glass door. We purchased with a double intention, safety lock for added security and to keep our young children from being able to open the slider. Application was a breeze and it's barely noticeable applied on the door. Such a simple idea but really effective and can be fitted in seconds. Number 4. ZRFCXE Sliding Door Lock, Child Safety. This sliding door lock is designed to keep your children safe. It prevents them from opening doors and windows, reducing the risk of accidents. The lock is durable and reliable, providing peace of mind. The lock is versatile and can be used on various sliding doors and windows. It's suitable for patios, closets, and cabinets. This makes it a great solution for childproofing your entire home. Installing this lock is simple and doesn't require any tools. Just clean the surface, peel off the adhesive, and stick it on. After 24 hours, it will be firmly in place, ready to protect your child. The lock is easy to use for adults but difficult for children to operate. To open it, you need to press buttons on both sides simultaneously. To close, simply slide the cover. Made with high-quality materials, this lock is built to last. If you have any issues, we offer responsive customer service. We're here to help you find a solution. What we like? This lock is designed to prevent accidents by controlling how much the door opens. It features a quick 3-step installation process, making it super convenient. If you have a curious toddler or pets, this lock provides added security and peace of mind. What people say? Easy to install. Works great on sliding glass doors. The locks are very effective at keeping toddlers from opening the doors. Number 3. Toddleroo by North State Sliding Door and Window Lock. This sliding door lock from Toddleroo by North States is designed to keep your children safe. It prevents kids from opening doors and windows, adding an extra layer of security in your home. This lock can be used on patio doors, closet doors, and windows. It's versatile and suitable for various sliding surfaces throughout your house, providing peace of mind. The design is simple for adults to operate. A simple slide and release action activates the lock, keeping your child away from potential hazards. Installation is quick and easy with the VHB adhesive. No tools or drilling are needed, and it won't leave marks on your doors or windows. Made from non-toxic ABS material, this lock is built to last. It's designed to withstand daily use, offering long-term and reliable performance. What we like? This lock features a simple slide and release mechanism that's easy for adults to use. It installs quickly with strong adhesive, and is built from durable, non-toxic materials. If you like a straightforward, reliable solution for childproofing, you should consider this. What people say? Setup was incredibly easy. No tools, no drilling, no fuss. I had it installed in under 2 minutes. I use it on both a glass sliding door and a wood-framed window, and it sticks securely to both. The twist-to-tighten design is super simple but really effective. It's easy to install and use, and doesn't look super ugly if you're not able to place it in a spot that isn't eye level. It installed easily and functions perfectly. Even narrow enough the pocket door opens and closes seamlessly when unlocked. Perfect lock. Number 2. KongNai Baby-Proof Sliding Door Lock, 2-pack. This KongNai lock is designed to keep your child safe from potential hazards. It is perfect for push-pull windows, balconies, kitchens, and toilets. You can easily install it to protect your little one. Installing this child safety lock is a breeze. You only need to peel off the 3M tape and stick it on. No tools are required, making it quick and simple to secure your home. Made from strong ABS rubber, this lock is built to last. It's tough and durable, and its sleek white design blends seamlessly with your home decor. Even if your baby pulls on it, it won't budge. This safety lock is versatile and can be used on various sliding doors and windows. Use it on balcony doors, kitchen doors, wardrobe doors, and more. It provides comprehensive protection throughout your home. This high-quality sliding door lock is a great gift for your baby or your friends. It provides top-rated customer service. Give the gift of safety and peace of mind. What we like? This lock is very easy to install, with no tools needed. Made from durable ABS rubber, it's built to last. If you're looking for a versatile lock that can be used on various sliding surfaces throughout your home, this is a great option. What people say. A mighty strong lock for the size used on patio doors. The flat side of the lock is what keeps the doors from being slid open. Installation is simple and easy. I wiped the area that I want to place it in with alcohol and let it dry. Afterwards, it was as simple as peeling the cover and placing the adhesive close to the edge of the door. I held it in place for about 2 minutes and let it set for a day. Then the next day I simply pushed the latch down to slide it open and close the door and lift the latch when done. The lock is small and slender so it doesn't get in the way of the door opening and closing. Number 1. Goodv Child-Proof Window Sliding Door Lock. Is your child a curious explorer? This lock is designed to prevent children from opening windows and potentially falling. It provides a safe environment for your little ones. These locks are designed to keep kids out of dangerous situations. It is perfect for windows and sliding doors, giving you peace of mind knowing your child is protected. No tools are required. This lock uses strong adhesive to attach to your windows and doors. Simply clean the surface and stick it on for a secure hold. Using this lock is very easy. Just click the buttons to secure the window or door. When you want to open it, simply press to release the lock. This lock can be used on various surfaces, including windows, sliding doors, and cabinets. Before purchasing, ensure the working space is between 0.42 and 1.18 inches. This lock is made of environmentally friendly materials. It is designed to be safe for every member of your family. What we like? This lock is designed to prevent children from falling out of high windows. It's easy to use, with a simple click-to-lock mechanism. If you want to keep your kids safe and protect them from potential dangers, this is a great choice. What people say. These have worked super well on our sliding door. They stick right on the glass. Easy to install, sturdy, and it works great on our shower door. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.